Good morning, Sam Bun Giants. Today is Wednesday, August 10th, 2016, and let's begin by facing the flag and having the salute. Everyone stand, face the flag, put your hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, Sampon Giants. Happy Wednesday to you all. Today for lunch, we will be having mini corn dogs and chips. Join us for free breakfast tomorrow. Free breakfast for all students starts at 7:30 in our cafeteria. We will be having breakfast pizza.
That sounds delicious.
I'm sure it is.
And with the student council announcement, the student council is still accepting applications for 3rd through 6th grade students looking to be leaders on campus this year. All levels are open except for positions. The students holding presidents, vice president, treasurer, historian, and event coordinators will be announced at our first Jamboree, August 19th. If you are interested in being a leader on campus and aren't already on the student council, please see Mrs. Houchins for more information. If you applied in May and are already a member, you don't need to apply again. There's an application on a Google form this year, and the link will be listed right here above. Beep, 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 beep. That's it for the student council announcement.
All right. Also in announcements, we have a very special birthday today. Happy birthday to Harleen Baines in Mrs. Martin and Mrs. Perry's class. Hope you have a wonderful day today. Also in announcements, we have perfect attendance for yesterday. We have a nice long list. Keep up the great work. Perfect attendance for yesterday. We have Mrs. Bannister, Mr. Burbina, Mrs. Borges, Mrs. Dobbs, Mrs. Lozano, Mrs. Mendonça, Mrs. Neville, Mrs. Powers and Mrs. Ely, Mrs. Quintanar, and Mr. Ratto. Congratulations to all those classes. Remember to attend school because every day counts. School starts at 8:10 every day, so make sure you're here on time.
Good morning, Sam Bond students. I just wanted to congratulate you on what a great first day of school we had yesterday. I was incredibly excited to see so many of you guys get involved with your classes, meet your new teachers. I appreciate all the high fives and fist bumps I received. We're going to have a great week. Keep up the good work, guys. See you at lunch.